If you're seeing LibreOffice Error 502 in Calc, don't worry, this is usually a formula problem, and in today's video, I'll show you exactly how to fix it step by step. Error 502 often means that a function has been given an invalid argument, which could be a wrong value, a bad cell reference, or a formula that simply isn't built correctly. So if your spreadsheet is showing this error, stay with me, because we're going to clean it up together. And if this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software fixes just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open LibreOffice Calc and go straight to the cell that is showing error 502. This is the starting point because you want to inspect the exact formula causing the issue. Once you click that cell, look carefully at the formula bar at the top. LibreOffice usually displays the formula there, and that's where you can identify what's gone wrong. Check each part of the formula and ask yourself whether every argument makes sense. For example, if the formula expects numbers but you enter text, or if it points to a cell that is empty or invalid, that can trigger the error. Now, start by checking the values inside the formula. If you're using a function like sum, average, if, VLOOKUP, or anything similar, make sure the arguments are in the right order and that the reference cells contain the correct data type. A small typo, a missing bracket, or a bad range can be enough to create error 502. If you spot a wrong value or reference, correct it right away and then press Enter on your keyboard to recalculate the formula. In many cases, that alone will solve the issue instantly. If the error still appears, don't panic. The next thing to try is deleting the broken formula completely and rebuilding it using LibreOffice's function wizard. This is one of the safest ways to avoid mistakes because it guides you through the formula step by step. To do that, remove the formula from the cell, then look for the function wizard button next to the formula bar. Click it and LibreOffice will open a helper window where you can choose the function you want and fill in each argument one at a time. This is very useful if you're not sure where the error is coming from because it helps you see each input clearly. As you rebuild the formula, pay close attention to the required fields. Make sure every argument is valid and use the correct cell references. If a formula needs a number, don't enter text. If it needs a range, make sure you select the full range properly. If you're using nested functions, build them one layer at a time so you can confirm each part works before moving on. Once everything looks correct, click OK, and LibreOffice should calculate the formula again without showing error 502. If you still get the error after that, double-check whether the formula itself is supposed to return a valid result with the data you entered. Sometimes the issue is not the function, but the content in the worksheet. A cell might be formatted as text instead of a number, or a reference may point to a blank cell where a value is expected. So if needed, go back through the data and make sure it matches what the function requires. The key thing to remember is that error 502 in LibreOffice Calc is usually about invalid arguments, so the fix is almost always found in the formula or the data feeding into it. Start with the cell, inspect the formula, correct any wrong values or references, and if needed, rebuild it with the function wizard. That process will solve most cases quickly and safely. If this video helped you fix LibreOffice Error 502, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.